Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. In today's video, we are going to be making some egg and vegetable frittata, another easy and quick recipe. So let's get right into it. We need some red and green bell peppers, which I have nicely diced. We also need some baby spinach, but any spinach will do. I have one red onion which I have diced, some green onions, and one chopped carrots. And as always, I will list them all down below. For my garnish, I also have some sliced onion and some sliced tomatoes. And we also need about a handful of some grated cheese, and you can use any cheese you prefer. For my seasoning, I'm using black and white pepper, onion, and garlic powder. We are also going to be needing some eggs, so let's do some cooking. In my frying pan, I have added just about a tablespoon of oil. You don't need too much oil. And I'm going to add my chopped onions, and I'm going to fry that until it becomes very soft and translucent. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my diced carrots, and I'm going to fry that for about a minute as well. You still want your vegetables to maintain their shape and form, so you don't want to overcook them. Next, you want to add your bell peppers and continue to fry this as well for just about a minute or so. Just look at how colorful this is already. I think I already lost 5 kilos just by looking at the vegetables. I wish it was that easy. Now add your scallions or green onions and fry that for about a minute as well, and then add your seasoning. And like I said, I'm using black and white pepper, some onion and garlic powder, but feel free to use any seasoning that you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and add my salt, mix that in, fry that for about a minute, and our vegetables will be ready. I'm going to set it aside and whisk my eggs. Before I whisk my eggs, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt to it because, mind you, there is already salt in the vegetables, and beat it until it becomes very light and fluffy. Next, I'm going to transfer our vegetables into a prepared baking dish, and I have buttered my baking dish really well. You can grease it with any other type of grease you have, but you have to grease it. If not, the frittata is going to stick to the bottom of your pan and you wouldn't be able to cut perfect slices. So it is really important that you butter your baking dish. Now add your chopped spinach and mix it together with the rest of the vegetables. You can also add it at the beginning when you are preparing your vegetables, but I don't want my spinach to be overcooked. That's why I prefer to do it this way. Next, I'm going to pour over my egg mixture, and you want to make sure that the mixture is evenly distributed, that there is egg in every corner of your dish. Now the next step is actually optional, but I really love to add a handful of grated cheese because it makes the top really crusty, and I really enjoy eating it that way. So if you don't like cheese, feel free to leave it out. And now for the finishing touch, I'm going to garnish our frittata with the sliced onions and sliced tomatoes, but feel free to use any vegetables that you have available. Now all there is left is to pop this into a preheated oven. And voila! 30 minutes later and our frittata is beautifully baked, and just look at the crust. You know, that's what the cheese will do for you, and it adds extra flavor as well. You want to allow it to cool slightly and then cut them into perfect slices. Mine baked for 30 minutes, but like you know, every oven works differently, so you just want to bake yours until it doesn't wiggle anymore in the center. You really have to make sure that it is fully set before you take it out of your oven. And there you have it, our vegetable and egg frittata. As you know, this is fully loaded with vegetables and it is packed with protein from the eggs. So if you are on diet or you just want to be healthy, this is a very great recipe for you. I like to serve this with a side salad, but you can have it with bread, with crackers. Anyhow you choose to eat this would be great. This makes a very great breakfast or lunch, and you can eat it warm or hot or at room temperature. It is good in so many ways. So I hope you really try this simple and easy upgraded chibom recipe. And I know you are really going to enjoy it. So until I come your way next time with another delicious recipe, please remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.